Hi everyone, my name is Shraddha and I'm going to be talking about a product from the brand Lakme today, which is a very beloved Indian cosmetic brand. So the product that I've got for you today is this product right here, which is the Lakme Absolute Shine Line Liquid Liner. Considering this is a liquid liner, the brush comes with a very nice precision, which is perfect for your thin cat eye makeup looks. Then when we talk about the finish of this liner, it is the perfect mix of gloss and matte that your liner should have, and considering this is a liquid liner, it is very easy to apply and it does not smudge at all, and it's actually very easy to even wipe it off when you wish to. I'm just going to show you how the brush looks. So this is how thin the brush is, and all you have to do is just swipe it on your eyelid like this, and this is how thin it actually is. And if you want a thicker one, you can obviously build it up. I'm just going to show you what it looks like when I apply it on my eyes. Just see how thin my liner looks. This is buildable according to the kind of look that you wish to create. So this is the look that I would create for my everyday makeup. This liner is very affordable. It's from a trusted cosmetic brand and it would last you for a long time. So all you girls out there, I highly recommend this product to you.